Good morning everyone. I am Mr. Oliver. I will explain to you the order of operations used in mathematics known as BODMAS or BIDMAS. Here is what BODMAS means. B is for bracket, so anything inside a bracket must be calculated first. If there are no brackets, then you check whether there are any of O, which is orders. Orders are things like a number to the power of a number or a square root of a number. So do them next. If there are none of those, then you look for D, division calculations, and M, multiplication calculations, starting from the left to right of the equation you are doing. Division and multiplication are counted as equally important in an equation, so whichever you come to first, that one is the one to do from left to right. After that you start from left to right looking for A, addition, and S, subtraction, and do them. Addition and subtraction are counted as equally important in an equation, so whichever you come to first, that one is the one to do from left to right. We will do two examples with solutions. The first one is 7 plus 2, open bracket, 24 minus 7, close bracket, plus 6 divided by 2 equals. So what's inside the brackets goes first. 24 minus 7 is 17, so when we put that into the equation we get 7 plus 2 times 17 plus 6 divided by 2. So now the brackets are done, and there are no orders to do in this one. We go on to doing multiplication and division starting from left to right. Now we do the multiplication of 2 times 17, which equals 34. Now we amend the equation to 7 plus 34 plus 6 divided by 2 equals. Now the next thing to do is the division, 6 divided by 2, which equals 3. So let's put that into the equation, and we are left with a simple addition of 7 plus 34 plus 3, which equals 44. Very good, let's try one more. Here is our second equation, 4 plus 3 squared minus, open brackets, square root of 81 minus 2, close brackets, equals. So first do what's in the brackets. As there is an order in the brackets that must be solved before taking away 2. Square root of 81 is 9. So it is 9 minus 2, which equals 7. Now change the equation to reflect that. 4 plus 3 squared minus 7, there is still an order in the equation, 3 squared, which is the same as saying 3 times 3, which equals 9. So now we change the equation and we are left with only addition and subtraction starting left to right. 4 plus 9 minus 7, which equals 6. If you got that right, well done. That was quite a bit to deal with. Now, the only difference between BODMAS and BIDMAS is, the orders are called indices in BIDMAS, which basically means the same thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my mathematics tutorial, and please give a like, and subscribe to Tony's Music. Thanks for watching.